just look at. This is the path you just walk upon. Look forward, just look. There is the path of your future. Hora, Ashinomoto, Omit Yuran, Kuriga, Anatono, Ayumomichi, Hora, Maimitigoram, Ariga, Anatono, Look at your feet, just look up. This is the path you should walk upon. Look forward, just look. I sing this song because I love the message of the song. The first sentence of the song is look at your feet. Look at your feet. Just look your feet. Why is it feet? Because our feet is a sign of humility. Our feet is a sign of humbleness. Just the feet of Jesus Christ. Look at the feet of Jesus Christ. He just follow the instruction of God. The feet of Jesus Christ follow the instruction of God. Wherever God told him to go, he follow. And he until he crucify his feet. And walk upon. Walk upon. We must walk with God. We must walk with God. We must walk in the presence of the Lord. And the message is look forward. We must look forward to our destiny with God. We must not compromise our sin. We should not look back to our past sin. We should look forward to what is ahead with God. And just look. Because when you look at your feet, wherever you go, whatever the path you should go, the path you should walk, that is your future. Example, you should walk in the counsel of the weak because in Psalms 1 verse 1, blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the weak or stand in the way of sinners, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law he meditated day and night. If we walk in the path of God, we should have a good destiny. But if we walk in a shadow of death, if we walk in sin, that is why it is important. The message of this song is I like it because look at your feet. You just look at the feet of Jesus Christ. Whenever we walk, you just look at the feet. It is the sign of humility and follow, 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 follow. And whenever we follow God, there is a future. God bless.